This is the SE Needle Distributor Pro from MHW-3BOMBER. Let's unbox this together and see what we think about it. The first thing I noticed is it looks like the box is made out of perhaps some recycled paper, which is nice. All right, let's open it up and see what we have inside. I immediately see here on the top that there is a QA certification, a fairly thick manual. On the top, you can see there's I'm gonna call it a coaster. I'm assuming you're gonna set this on, or you can set this on your countertop. There is Make Heart Warm. So that would be what the MHW in MHW-3BOMBER comes from. All right, let's take a look. What do we have next? Let's see what we have in the little box, the accessories box. We have a brush. It's a nice brush. Has the logo of the company on it. Then we have needle nose pliers. I'm assuming it's for changing out the needles. And the last thing we have, a little container of the needles themselves. Let's look at the tool itself. So this is very similar to another product that they had on the market, the same needle distributor idea. This one's a bit larger, it's quite a bit larger. It has a whole section here on the bottom that the other one didn't have. The way this works is you press and the needles spin. They rotate as you're pressing it down and as you release it back up. This is nice. The build quality of it feels good. It's all aluminum. It's got a nice finish on it. Feels very nice to the touch. Feels durable. Feels like it'll last for a long time. Shouldn't chip or anything like that. First, let's set this on a portafilter basket just to see how it behaves when we set it on there. So it looks like you're supposed to align the ears of the portafilter basket with each of these little pieces here, and they set down in, yeah, just like that. Process is, as it's coming in, it's actually holding the needles in a straight vertical alignment. It has 2 millimeters gap, so the needles, if they were all in a straight line, would be 2 millimeters apart from each other. So think about that. That's going to be pretty good coverage. It's going to cover, nearly the whole puck. All right, so let's look at this mechanism for adjusting the height. So as you rotate the dial, you can actually see the depth of this change. And what that's going to do is it's going to adjust the depth of the needles. So this looks like a pretty well-designed tool. Definitely looks industrial, if you will, with the big bolts on the side and chunky pieces of aluminum. This is nice. Based off of the pictures I've seen of the predecessors to this tool, this is definitely a step up, a step in the right direction. Based off what I've seen so far, it seems like it's pretty well made quality tool, and it has my recommendation. Happy brewing.